Hello friends, I am Professor Sachin Ratnakar Kokne from ENTC Department of AISSMS Institute of Information Technology Pune. Today we will be seeing receiver of one of the modulation technique, that is binary phase shift key. Let us see how to demodulate BPSK signal. So here now we are going to see a synchronous BPSK receiver. The synchronous BPSK receiver means, why we are calling it as synchronous, because for demodulation purpose we need a carrier which will be exactly similar to that carrier which is used at the transmitter side for the modulation purpose. Okay, so here we will be seeing one block, that is what carrier recovery circuit. Okay, so in this carrier recovery circuit there is a squaring circuit, then band pass filter and frequency divider network. Okay, so if we see these three block is nothing but what carrier recovery circuit, and input to these three block is what BPSK signal. Okay, so this carrier recovery circuit, as the name says, this is the circuit which recovers a carrier for demodulation purpose, okay, from received BPSK signal. So the input is BPSK signal. Okay, so this block will give us a carrier which will be synchronous to the transmitter carrier. Okay, so this carrier will be given to the product demodulator. Okay, so here multiplication is going to happen, and after this whatever the demodulated data is there, this demodulated signal is given to the integrator. So the next block is what integrator. The role of integrator is what? To integrate the received signal for single bit duration, because in BPSK we are transmitting only one bit at a time. Alright, so whatever the signal energy we are receiving, that we have to integrate for single bit duration, and that single bit duration is nothing but what? TB second. Okay, so here we can see the integration symbol. Lower limit is 0, upper limit is TB, means after demodulation we are integrating the signal for 1 bit duration, that is 0 to TB second. So once we integrate the signal energy, that signal we are passing through low pass filter and comparator. Okay, since we are demodulating the signal, after demodulation that band pass signal gets converted to baseband signal. Okay, so this baseband signal we are passing through low pass filter. Okay, so this role of low pass filter is what? It will be filtering only baseband signal, that is only MUSUS signal, and all higher frequency will be eliminated. And next block is what? Comparator. So the role of comparator is what? To compare the input signal energy. If input signal energy is greater than threshold reference voltage, then decision will be taking as transmitted bit is 1. If received signal energy is falling below threshold level, then this comparator will take the decision that transmitted bit is 0. Okay, so this comparator is nothing but one, this will be a op-amp circuit. Op-amp as a comparator that can be used here. Okay, so in that way finally we will be getting digital input in the form of 0 and 1. This comparator is also called as a decision making device, because this device is going to take the decision whether the transmitted bit is 1 or 0. Okay, so the input will be a BPSK signal, and this block will be giving us a synchronous carrier which is required for demodulation purpose, and after demodulating we are integrating for single bit duration, and after integrating we are comparing its signal energy by using a comparator. If it is greater than threshold, then decision will be taken the transmitted bit is 1, and if received signal energy is below threshold level, then decision will be taken as transmitted bit is 0. So in this way BPSK signal we are going to demodulate. Okay, thank you.